Welcome to Structured AI Notes. Our entire goal here is to cut through all that noise and give you a real, structured path to mastering AI.
So, you want to build the future with AI, right? I mean, who doesn't? You feel that excitement. You see what's possible. But that very first step, man, it can feel like you're just running straight into a brick wall.
And that's the paradox, isn't it? On one side, you've got this huge ambition. You want to build cutting-edge tech, land that amazing engineering job. But on the other side, you're drowning. It's just this sea of random YouTube videos and courses that cost a fortune but don't really teach you anything complete. It's just not going to work.
And look, this scattered way of learning, it's not just a waste of time. It's dangerous. It creates these huge, permanent gaps in what you know. And without that solid foundation, all the cool stuff, the really advanced AI concepts, they stay locked away. And your motivation, it just crumbles.
But here's the thing. The solution isn't more content. There's plenty of content out there. The solution is better structure. That's the key, a clear, intentional path forward.
And you know what? That's exactly what we've built for you. Think of this as a brand new beginning. We're not just dropping another playlist. No, we are handing you the official starting point, the keys to unlock your entire AI journey right here on this channel.
So let's get to it. Introducing our brand new playlist, Python for AI. We're calling it the foundational pillar for a reason, because this is where it all begins. This is the bedrock on which you're going to build all of your AI expertise.
And I want to be super clear about something. This is not just another tutorial. This is your strategic roadmap. It's designed to take you from novice to truly proficient, someone who's ready to take on the really complex AI challenges.
So, what does that path look like? Well, first, we're going to master the absolute essentials of Python. Then, we'll get you commanding data structures and control flow. From there, we build up your skills in modular programming, and finally, we apply those powerful object-oriented paradigms. See? It's a step-by-step, logical journey to mastery.
But really, it's about so much more than just learning Python syntax. What we're doing here is building your indispensable AI toolkit, the stuff that a professional engineer actually uses. So yeah, get ready to seriously level up.
For example, you're going to master object-oriented programming. Why? So you can build the kind of scalable, maintainable applications that are absolutely essential for those big, complex AI systems.
Then, you're going to conquer concurrency and multi-threading. This is how you write that high-performance, lightning-fast code that can manage a ton of complex tasks all at once. It's a total game changer.
And of course, we'll have you mastering robust exception handling. This is how you create professional-grade, basically unbreakable programs that are ready for the messiness of real-world data.
Listen, I want you to understand this. This playlist is the required foundation. It is the launchpad for every single other playlist we're going to do on this channel. Everything. So your journey, it starts right here. So you can leave all that confusion behind. Forget about those expensive, incomplete courses. Your structured path to becoming an AI engineer, it starts right now with a single click.
So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, like this video, subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and start the Python for AI playlist right now. Your future in AI is ready to be built. Let's get started.